Yella Beezy's latest court appearance shocked everyone in the room and completely shifted the mood of his high-profile case. After spending about a week behind bars, the Dallas rapper returned to court for a bond hearing and dropped a message that left the courtroom stunned. Beezy was arrested on March 20th and charged with capital murder in connection with the 2020 shooting of his former friend and fellow rapper Mo3. According to the indictment, prosecutors allege that Yella hired Kwan Q. White to carry out the deadly attack on November 11th, 2020, and paid him for the job. Facing a hefty $2 million bond, Yella's legal team pushed to have the amount slashed to $250,000. To support the request, they brought in an unexpected witness, his grandmother. Calm but firm, she told the court about her background and family life, insisting that she knew her grandson's true character and was not swayed by social media gossip. When asked if Yella could raise the full $2 million, she surprised everyone with a blunt answer. He might used to be, but if he could make a $2 million bond, he would be out. Her statement hinted that the rapper, once known for his flashy lifestyle, might be broke. Even when the attorney pressed her on whether Yella was simply choosing not to pay, she doubled down, saying, "I know you don't want to be in here, so if he could afford it, he'd be out. Plus, he has other bills. You don't just have money laying around." But prosecutors weren't buying it. Tommy Adams, representing the state, opposed lowering the bond and argued that Yella remained a danger to society and a potential flight risk. He pointed out that the rapper owned a mansion, drove a bulletproof Denali, and had nearly $870,000 sitting in his bank accounts. Proof, he said, that Yella had more than enough money to post bail. Yella's defense attorneys countered by claiming the state lacked hard evidence tying him to a murder-for-hire plot. "There's no text message, no social media message, nothing showing our client paid for this murder," they argued, dismissing the accusations as hearsay from someone who merely claimed to have overheard a conversation. After hearing both sides, Judge Lewis ultimately reduced the bond, but not as much as the defense hoped. Instead of $250,000, she lowered it to $750,000 and imposed strict conditions, including a ban on any contact, direct or indirect, with victims or witnesses. You are to have no contact, no threatening or harassment of any victims or witnesses. If it's you or anybody on your behalf, there's going to be a problem. Do you understand that? The judge warned. The judge also remarked that Yella didn't appear to take the case seriously, which raised concerns about his attitude in court. Still, the reduced bond offers Yella a chance to post bail if he can come up with the money and follow the strict conditions. For now, the public is watching closely as the rapper fights to stay out of deeper legal trouble, and fans are waiting to see if he can secure his release and prepare for a trial that could decide the rest of his life.